Hi, I'm Alpana Chaturvedi, CEO of my logistics Gurukul. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are setting sail into the world of ocean freight, a critical backbone of global trade that connects countries, businesses, and consumers across continents. Whether you are curious about how your favorite products arrive on store shelves, or you're considering a career in logistics, this video will give you a quick and fascinating look at ocean freight. From giant container ships navigating oceans to the massive ports handling millions of tons of cargo, ocean freight plays a key role in keeping the global economy moving. So let's dive into the importance of ocean freight, learn some interesting facts, and explore how goods move across the seas. Did you know that around 90% of all global trade is carried by sea? That's right. Everything from electronics and furniture to clothes and cars likely traveled on a ship at some point before reaching to you. Ocean freight is by far the most cost-effective way to transport large quantities of goods over long distances. Why is it so important? Well, without ocean freight, international trade as we know, it would come to a halt. Imagine trying to fly millions of tons of cargo across the world. It would be prohibitively expensive. Shipping by sea enables businesses to trade globally at a lower cost, which is essential for economies of all sizes. Did you know the largest container ships can carry up to 24,000 TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units, which is enough to hold over 12,000 cars? Now, let's talk about containers. Containers are the unsung heroes of ocean freight, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes to accommodate different types of cargo. The most common are the standard 20-foot and 40-foot containers known as TEUs and FEUs. But did you know there are also specialized containers? For example, there are refrigerated containers known as reefers, which are used to transport temperature-sensitive goods like food and pharmaceuticals. There are also open-top containers for oversized cargo and flat track containers for heavy machinery. Some reefers can maintain temperatures as low as minus 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring that frozen goods remain in perfect condition throughout their journey. When it comes to the vessels that carry these containers, not all ships are the same. The most common are container ships, which, as the name suggests, are designed to carry thousands of containers across oceans. Then we have bulk carriers, which transport unpackaged bulk cargo such as grains, coal, or minerals. These ships have large open holds that allow for easy loading and unloading of raw materials. And of course, we can't forget about tankers, which transport liquids like oil, chemicals, and liquefied natural gas, LNG. These ships are specially designed to safely carry hazardous liquids over long distances. The largest oil tankers can hold up to 2 million barrels of crude oil, which is enough to power an entire country for days. Now, let's break down the typical shipment flow in ocean freight. The process begins with the exporter packing the goods and preparing them for shipment in containers. Next, the containers are transported to the port where they are loaded onto a ship. After the ship sets sail, it travels across the ocean to the destination port where the containers are unloaded. Once the containers arrive at the destination port, they must pass through custom clearance. This is where custom officers inspect the goods and the accompanying documentation to ensure everything complies with local laws. Finally, after clearing customs, the goods are transported to their final destination, whether that's a distribution center, warehouse, or directly to a store. Documentation is a critical part of ocean freight. Here are a few key documents you should know about. Bill of lading, BL as it is mostly called, is the most important document in ocean freight. It serves as a contract between the shipper and the carrier, a receipt of goods, and a document of title that can be transferred to different parties during the shipment. Packing list. This document details the contents of the shipment, including the type of goods, their weight, and dimensions. It helps custom officials and freight forwarders verify the shipment. Commercial invoice. This is the invoice issued by the exporter to the importer, listing the goods sold, the terms of sale, and the total price. Did you know that a bill of lading can be worth millions of dollars, as it acts as the key document that transfers ownership of the goods? Ocean freight may seem complex, but it's essential to keeping the world connected. From the types of vessels and containers to the shipment flow and crucial documentation, every part of the system ensures that goods reach their destination efficiently and safely. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of ocean freight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the fascinating world of global trade and logistics. See you next time.